Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. I know that you are really worried because you cannot speak in English, but don't worry, I'm here to help you that how you can speak English confidently and fluently like the native speaker. So there's just one thing in your mind, that think in English. And first of all, be positive with yourself that you can speak in English. If you will think that you can speak in English, so you will be able to speak in English. Yes. So you have to change your thinking process. And I'm going to tell you that how you can change your process and just you think one thing in your mind, you can speak in English. Yes. If you will feel that you can speak in English, so you will be able to speak in English. So don't worry, I'm going to tell you some basic tips. But before that, I would like to tell you the my story how I learned English speaking. When I firstly joined the English language classes, so it was very difficult for me because my mentor used to call every student in the class one by one, and they have to stand on the podium and speak. But I realized today this was a great exercise for the beginner, and they just have to address 20 to 30 people and try to speak in English and speak in English on a topic. My mentor also used to help us a lot between the speech, but we just try to speak in English. So it was really good because we break our own fear of English speaking. So you can also speak in English confidently and fluently. So I'm going to tell you one thing, you need not to go anywhere. Everyone has a mirror in their home and everyone has a smartphone right now. Speak in front of mirror of your house. Stand in front of the mirror and try to speak at least for 10 to 15 minutes. And how you will be able to speak? So reading will going to help you a lot. Buy the newspaper from the market today if you are watching this video. So buy the newspaper and any English newspaper from the market and try to read that newspaper for 1 hour. And whatever you have read, just speak in front of the mirror. And also one more thing, while reading newspaper, highlight those words which are new for you so that you can find out their meaning and you can use those words in your next English speech. And one more thing, record your own voice and your video in your smartphone so that you can saw your video by yourself and you can listen your voice also. It will help you to do the self realization. You can do the self evaluation of your voice as well as your postures and gestures. Your postures and gestures very important because it will show your confidence. And confidence, how it will be going to come? Confidence will come by the help of reading, by learning vocabulary, and by the practice of speaking in front of the mirror. So if you will do these practices, speaking in front of mirror, learning vocabulary and reading newspaper every day, nobody can stop you to become a good English speaker. I have seen so many people, those who go for the IELTS examination or the MNC interview, but they failed over there because of their English language. Even they are well qualified, they are BTech or MBA, but they are not so good in English, and that's why they just lost their good jobs which they need to do or they want to do. So just going to do one thing, do practice every day, read every day, try to speak every day. If you have the friends who can speak with you in English, so try to make a group and try to speak in English. But speaking in front of the mirror and recording your own voice in your smartphone, these are the best thing to do for speaking English and improve your English speaking practice as well. Another thing I would like to tell you that I just I was tell you that I have seen so many people, I have met so many persons that those who are failed in IELTS and fail in an MNC interview because of their poor English communication. But if you are good in communication skills, so you can easily qualify IELTS examination, even you can qualify the MNC's interview. One more thing I would like to tell you where most of the people fail or unsuccessful is the US visa interview. Because in the US visa interview, what happened inside the embassy, they ask you that why you want to go to US, and the person said that I want to go for shopping, I want to meet my friend, my family and all that. So everyone say that different example and the different reason why they are going over there. But if you are going any other country, if you are going US, Canada, Australia, wherever you are going, so find out the natural places of that country. If you want to go, if I wish to go to the US, I would say that I would like to see the monuments over there. I would like to see the Alaska, the Montana, Atlanta. So there are the so many regions over there, so many places over there which I would like to tell that I really want to see the glaciers of the United States. So I want to explore the country. So if you will say these type of the answers in the your US visa interview, so your chances could be better. So your reason should be clear that why you want to go in any other country. Suppose you want to go to Australia, so you should say that I want to see the kangaroos over there. I would like to see the national parks of the Australia. I would like to see the monuments over there, the museum over there. So your reason should be clear why you want to go over there. So it will improve your chances of getting successful in the your visa interview. So I hope you will like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.